Hello and welcome all. In this vlog, I'll explain you about basic geometrical concepts. So without wasting the time, let's start. And first is point. Now what is a point? A point is a mark of position or any dot is called a point. And we can see on the right hand side figure is drawn and this point is called A. So I have given the name A. Okay. A point has no length, breadth or thickness. After point comes line segment. Now what is a line segment? A line segment has two endpoints, okay, and it has a definite length. Definite length means we can measure the line segment and it is easily drawn on a piece of paper. Like figure is drawn on the right hand side, so it has two endpoints. What are they? A and B, okay, and this is denoted by bar AB. So line segment is written in this way, and after drawing the line segment we can easily measure it. It means it has a definite length, and after that comes line. Now what is a line? A line has no endpoints. Like a line segment that is extended endlessly on both sides, means on both the directions, like left side as well as on right hand side, and it does not have a definite length. Who does not have a definite length? That line. And we can see on the right hand side picture is drawn. So as we can see, two arrows are going on opposite direction, okay. So it has no end points, means we can't measure the line, okay. Now after that comes ray. Now what is a ray? A line segment that extended endlessly in one direction only, means it starts from one point and it just goes on extending in the other direction, is called a ray, and it also does not have a definite length like a line. And ray AB is represented by, so first at top you will just draw the arrow and below that you will write down the name of that ray, and in this figure the name of the ray is AB, okay. So this is the main difference between line segment, line and ray. Now we'll do few exercises related to this. Now first is, which one has two end points? A line or a line segment. We all know a line has no endpoints. Only line segment has two endpoints, means it has a definite length. So definitely 2 will be the right answer, a line segment. Now number 2 is, which one has one endpoint, a ray or line? We all know a line segment extended endlessly in one direction is called a ray. It means it has one end point. So answer will be first one, that is a ray. Then third is, which one has no end points, a line or a line segment? And answer is definitely one, that is a line. It has no end points. And last one, that is fourth one, is, which one can be drawn on a piece of paper, a line segment or a ray? And answer is first one, that is a line segment, because it has a definite length, so we can easily draw it on a piece of paper, okay. So this is the end of my vlog. Hope you like it, and if so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.